For cleaning the system, we are actually gonna grab what we call a cleaning jar. We will unscrew this needle clip. And this will either be a screw-on or a lure lock method in order to secure this. And obviously, when you first get your system, sometimes we ship it with a little limonene or propylene glycol in order to keep the pumps lubricated. So we're gonna go over these cleaning buttons now. There's purge, which is just gonna open the valve and use air pressure to push everything out. Cycle pump is actually gonna actuate the pump. And then the auto clean feature is what you're going to use at the end of running it when you load ethanol in there to run the clean cycle, clean the pump. And that's something you can just walk away because you have this jar hooked up. So when I press and hold the purge button, we can see it's just air going into there now. So we know that the tank is empty.